How to schedule Instagram Reels and mobile. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now this can be done on both iPhone and Android, so don't worry about that at all. And yeah, let's get started right away. So over here, I'm in Instagram, of course, as you can see. And I'm going to create a reel real quick. So I'm going to click on the plus icon and then select a reel. Now over here, I am simply just going to record like a couple of seconds, like 3 seconds or whatever. Then I'm going to click on next and then next again. Now over here at the top, you can edit the cover. You can write a caption. So I'm going to do that real quick. And once you've done that, like I just did, you want to scroll all the way down. And once you've scrolled all the way down, you should see advanced settings, as you can see. Now that is where you want to click on. So I'm going to do that. And then here, you should see scheduled content. So schedule this reel. You want to toggle that on, and then this will pop up. And here you can actually schedule the reel to wherever you, to whatever date you want. So let's say I want to have it at Sunday and then at 5 p.m. Then I can just simply put that on there and then set the time. And now it says schedule this reel Sunday, April 9th at 5 p.m. CST. So that's my time zone. So yeah, that's how I scheduled this post. Then you can go back and you can actually at the bottom right see that it now says schedule instead of post or post reel or whatever it actually says. But now it actually says schedule. So once you click on there, you will now start scheduling this post. So you do have to wait a bit for it to actually be scheduled. And once it's scheduled, you can actually go to your profile and click on the top right, and then go to scheduled content. And here you can view all the scheduled content, as you can see. So at the top, this was a regular post I scheduled, and this is the actual reel. Now, before you leave this, you can actually have a couple of different options. So if you click on the 3 dots, you can actually delete it, edit the reel, so edit the caption or cover or whatever. You can reschedule it, so instead of Sunday, post it on Saturday. And you can also share it right now, like right away, instead of scheduling it. So yeah, that is actually all there is to it. So I hope this video helped you out. This is how to schedule your Instagram Reels on mobile. And yeah, if this helped you out, let me know in the comments, and I will see you next time. Have a good day.